Yeah, I'm Chris Sawyer, lead technologist for Innovate UK. Innovate UK supports companies to grow, so we're looking to grow the economy through the development of new innovations. Yeah, I think with this conference in particular, we're just kicking off a new challenge called Long-Term Care Revolution, and this is particularly about transferable technology. So we're looking at attracting alternative sectors into this space, and one way to do that is about communication. And we're trying to communicate what we're trying to achieve through the program to encourage different participants. The Long-Term Care Revolution National Challenge is a new program, a new competition that we're kicking off in April. It runs through till the competition opens April 7th, closes on September the 2nd. And it's about transforming institutional care. So that's basically our remit. We're looking out to 2040, 2050, so we understand it's just a start point. So the program itself runs for 24 months. And as I say, it's a start point to make change happen. Our long-term drivers and long-term goals is to create an environment where the individual has choice. Well, we're an organisation, and we're broken into many different sectors. So we have platforms across things like agriculture, transport, space, and I work within the health and care, and we focus on independent living. So within the independent living innovation platform, and within that space, I think the challenges there is about developing long-term sustainable solutions. So working with SMEs who face challenges themselves with regards developing products quite quickly, being able to get them to market. And the big challenge is the market itself, and identifying how you build a relationship with a potential customer, and then a lot of the barriers to actually develop sales, because an SME is dependent on creating income to enable them to grow and to keep in business, basically. I think there's lots of opportunities across a number of the different sectors. I think in particular there was a couple of presentations. One was in automotive. Clearly, with both of the automotive companies that were talking, there is transferable technology from those sectors. Particularly when we look at the care space, whereas technology is at a very early stage in comparison to those. So you would imagine that transferable technology would be quite achievable from those areas. As an organisation, we expect to continue providing support to the SMEs in the UK, so continuing to work on innovative programs. Within the independent living space, then we're working on we have the current program, which is Long-Term Care Revolution. We're also working on our business plan to looking ahead to the next 5 years, when we expect to be doing things slightly different. Any more than that, I can't say. Success for that particular program would be choice for the individual in 2040, 2050. So we understand we're just starting on the journey, but it's about creating choice, quality of life, and institutional care that everybody would be proud of.